Adoration of the Honest and Life-Giving Cross. Text adapted from Spinixar. On the third Sunday of Great Lent, in the midst of Holy Pentecost, we celebrate the veneration of the honorable and life-giving cross. During the 40 days of Lent, like the Savior, we also bear the burden of crucifixion and suffering and mortify our flesh, for this is a time of sorrow, mourning, the withering and death of the body. In this work, the life-giving and honorable cross of Christ leads us forward, which rejoices our hearts, encourages us with hope, reminds us of the passion of our Lord Jesus Christ, and consoles us. And if God bore the cross for us, how much more should we bear the same for him? The diseases of iniquity have been driven away from us and have been eased, and we shall be able to endure forever by the power of the mighty cross of God. As our Savior and Redeemer, having been lifted up for us on the cross and having borne the bitterness of the insults of those who were born, so it is yet for us to suffer with him and to be glorified together with him. And if we cannot suffer in the same way in work, let us still be sorrowful in heart, because our path is the hardship and sorrow of this world. When we have bound up the heavy burden of work and are walking, weighed down with weight, wherever we see the shade of a good leafy forest, there we will rest and continue our journey again, encouraged. Also, since the time of Lent is a time of sorrow and labor, the Holy Fathers established the veneration of the life-giving cross of Christ, which gives us relief, joy, and strength, lightens our burdens, and draws us to greater labor. There is a custom among the kings of the world. When they defeat the enemy in battle and wish to return home, they lead ahead of them the scepter of their kingdom as a sign of victory, and thus they return with great joy. All those who are with him rejoice with one voice and glorify him with great glory. Likewise, our Lord Jesus Christ willed that the invincible and invincible should overcome death by the cross and be put to shame and become glorious. He also triumphed by his resurrection and sent us the scepter, his royal sign, the life-giving cross, with which he gave us inexpressible joy and consolation. He filled us with many good things and strengthened us, so that we would be ready to receive the King and give him glorious praise for the victory. This holy fast of the Holy 75 is like a source of sorrow, mourning, and weeping, a bitter spring for the flesh, but just as Moses in his time, by divine grace, cast down the pole and made the water sweet, so God has delivered us and saved us from Pharaoh in the purple sea of the mind with the life-giving pole of the honest cross, which will sweeten the bitterness of the 25 days of fasting for us and comfort us like those in the desert, until the Lord leads us to the heavenly Jerusalem. And this cross is translated as a cross, a life-giving one, and is the tree of life, which was planted in the middle of Eden in paradise. Therefore, the God-fearing fathers planted the cross of the cross in the middle of the Holy 22, and now, having tasted the fruit of this tree, he will no longer die, but will have eternal life. By its power, Christ God, save us from evil temptations and make us worthy to worship your divine passions and the life-giving cross, so that we may walk the path of the 22 holy days in peace and be accepted, as you alone are good and love mankind. Amen. Evangelist number 8. Chulevi Monastery, 2000. Holy Righteous John of Kronstadt. Speech for the third Sunday of Great Lent. The Holy Church has established the repose of the life-giving cross of the Lord in the midst of Great Lent to ease the fast. Those who truly fast must undoubtedly experience the suffering of the flesh, the relentless struggle of the soul with it, and, in addition to all this, the machinations of the devil, who acts on our souls through passions that bring great sorrow, especially to those who are imperfect and unsteady in the Christian life. May the life-giving cross of the Lord, now reposed, comfort such fasting people for worship, heartfelt contemplation and prayer, and may it ease their burden. May those who fast not truly, and those who do not fast at all, not be deprived of his consolation. May he be like the Savior. May the divine passion teach from the cross the important duty of a Christian, fasting and mortifying our sinful flesh. Insofar as the cross itself prepares us to speak about love, now we will also say something about the greatness of God's love for us revealed on the cross, in order to kindle in the cold hearts of Christians a love for God and a life worthy of a Christian. Indeed, what a vastness of love the Creator God has for His creation, for man, was revealed on the cross. The Creator of heaven and earth, of all things visible and invisible, He who hung the sun, the moon, and the countless stars in the sky, He who spreads out the air for the sustenance, rest, of all living things, who sends forth rivers on the face of all the earth, who covers the earth with every green thing and continues to multiply, to bring forth, and to nourish every living creature, the only begotten Son of God, of His own will, laid down His head, to be incarnate from life to death for man, and, for the salvation of the persecuted, He endured the most painful death on the cross for him, and even the most reprehensible death, so that His passions might be counted by the just Heavenly Father as the passions of humanity of all times and places, so that in this way, humanity, made His own by faith and love for Him, might be saved from the unimaginable torments of hell and from the second death. Man, seeing with unclouded eyes and hearts the boundless love of the great, Almighty God for sinful man, cannot help but weep with the feeling of the boundless love of God, and he too sheds tears of love and gratitude, having nothing else to offer but tears to Him to whom the tears of our love are precious. But how do most people respond to such love of God? Insensitivity, readiness to crucify in our souls the Son of God with all possible vices, with the increased flattery of our sinful flesh, so that many of us seem to have forgotten the passions endured on the cross of our Lord Jesus Christ. Most of us live not for heaven or for the soul, but for the earth and our own body, and by force, according to the Church's ordinance, agree to deny our body for several days from excessive eating and drinking. So, we have avoided our salvation by all means. The Savior suffered for us on the cross, and we do not even want to know anything about these passions. For our salvation, He has commanded us to take up our cross and follow Him to heavenly glory, and we do not even want to hear about it. He pointed us, as to a medicine, to the mortification of our flesh through passions and desires, but we strive even more to satisfy our passions, to fulfill our desires. And what? The end will be the same. And we will be tormented with eternal fire, and no one will give us even a drop of the flame of Gehenna to cool our tongues, because here we had many kinds of coolers, 1,000 kinds of pleasures for the sinful flesh. Do not be, Lord. Let us hasten to the cross, while the crucified one still rejoices in His mercy. Amen. St. John Chrysostom. What is the cross and the image of the cross for a Christian? In ancient times, the cross was a sign of shame and torture, but now it has become a subject of glory and honor. To prove that the cross is truly glory, listen to Jesus Christ. And now, Father, glorify me with your own self with the glory which I had with you before the foundation of the world. Matthew 17 verse 5, where He calls the cross a glory. The cross is the head of our salvation, the cause of countless blessings. Through it we, formerly condemned and condemned, are now adopted as sons. Through it we are no longer deceived, but have come to know the truth. Through it we, who formerly worshipped stones and trees, now acknowledge the Creator of all. It is His grace that spiritual worship is performed everywhere. Because of Him the devils are turned back, because of Him Satan was cast out, because of Him human nature competes with angelic nature, because of Him virginity was established in this world. For since the coming of the Virgin, the human race has learned about the existence of this path of virtue. He, the Lord, has enlightened us, who were hitherto sitting in darkness. He has made us relatives who were once far from Him. He has accepted us, who were strangers, as His attributes. He has made us, who were hitherto wandering travelers, citizens of heaven. He has become our support in the world. Because of Him we no longer fear the burning arrows of the devil, for we have found the source of life. Because of Him we are no longer widows, for we have found a bride. Because of Him we no longer fear the wolf, for we have a good shepherd. I am the good shepherd, John 10 verse 11, says the Lord. The sacrifice was made on the cross, And where there is a sacrifice, there is forgiveness of sins, there is reconciliation with the Lord, there is celebration and joy. For Christ was crucified for us. 1 Corinthians 5 verse 7. Thus, the cross is truly a celebration for us. He opened heaven for us, led the thief into it. He accomplished two great deeds. He opened heaven and brought the thief into it, returned him to his old homeland, brought him into his native city. Therefore, let no one be ashamed of the worthily venerated sign of our salvation, by which we live, the origin of all good, by which we exist. But let us wear the cross of Christ as a crown, for through it everything that is necessary for us is fulfilled. If we need to be baptized by baptism, we are given the cross. We want to receive the sacrament, receive ordination, or something else. Everywhere this sign of victory is found. Therefore, let us depict it with great zeal on houses, on walls, on doors, on foreheads and hearts. For the cross is the common sign of our salvation, freedom, and the mercy of the Lord who was led like a lamb to the slaughter. Isaiah 53 verse 7. Therefore, when you look at the cross, imagine its full significance. Banish anger and all other passions. Let your face express living hope, and your soul feel freedom. For the sign of the cross should not be made with your fingers alone, but should be preceded by the attitude of your heart and complete faith. And if you make the sign of the cross in this way, no unholy spirit will dare to approach you, because he will see that the sword with which he was wounded, and the weapon from which he received his mortal wound. Therefore, do not be ashamed of so much goodness, and then Christ will not be ashamed of you to his face when he comes in his glory, when this sign appears before him more brilliant than the brightest ray of the sun. The cross is our praise, the head of all goodness, our glory, and our only ornament. The source S translated by Google Translate. Apologues for any errors. Hagia Sophia Chapel. May God bless you.